Everyone, my name is Akshata Sanora and my topic is arrays, strings and pointers, which are core concept in C programming and very important to understand how data is stored and managed in the memory. Let's get started. Introduction. There are three concepts: array, string and pointers are essential in programming. Arrays help us to store multiple values. String used for text and pointers allow us to directly access memory. Together, they widely used in real world examples like database software systems. In this slide, I'll be explaining what is an array. An array is a collection of elements of the same data type stored in continuous memory location. Instead of creating multiple variables, we can store everything in one array and access it using an index card starting from 0. Types of array. There are three different types of array. One dimensional array are simple list. Two dimensional arrays are like tables or matrices, and multi-dimensional array are more like complex. They are used in application like grids and table data. Here is an example of array. Here simple example of an array is that we store five values in each and can be accessed using its index. Arrays are very useful when combined with loops, making data processing easy and fast. In the next slide, I'll be explaining what is string. String is a sequence of characters used to store text in C. Strings are actually arrays of characters and always end with special null characters called black \0, which marks the end of the string. In this slide, I'll be explaining string operation. We can perform different operation on strings like finding length, copying, combining and comparing. These operations are important for handling text in the program. In this slide, I'll be explaining string example. This example shows how string is stored in memory. Each character takes space and the string ends with a null character. This is important because it tells the program where the string ends. In this slide, I'll be explaining what is a pointer. A pointer is a variable that stores the address of another variable. Instead of storing a value, it stores where that value is located in the memory. In this slide, I'll be explaining pointers example. In this example, we store the address of the variable x in a pointer using the star symbol. We can access the value stored at the address. This is called dereferencing. In this slide, I'll be explaining pointers application. Pointers are very powerful. They are used for dynamic memory allocation, passing variables to function efficiently, and creating data structures like linked list, trees, etc. The relationship between the three of them. These concepts are connected. Arrays act like pointers to the first element. String are arrays of the characters, and the pointer helps us to move through arrays and string efficiently. In this slide, I'll be explaining advantages. The main advantage are efficient memory usage, faster execution, flexibility. These concepts also help in building complex data structures and writing optimized code. In this slide, I'll be explaining limitations. However, there are some limitations. Arrays have fixed size. Pointers can cause error if used incorrectly, and strings may lead to buffer overflow. So, careful handling is required. In the end, I will be explaining conclusion. To conclude, array, strings and pointer are the backbone of C programming. Understanding them is very important for writing efficient programs and learning advanced topics like data structure. Thank you.